Hey, what's up YouTube? So I've ordered two basic stuff online for my mirrorless camera. So I'm using a Fujifilm X-T3. So if you have a mirrorless camera or any camera, these are the two basic stuff. It's just simply basic that you might need. Okay, so let's try to unbox it. Okay, so the first one is a SanDisk Extreme Pro UHS-1 card. It's a 128 gigabyte which has a speed of 95 megabytes per second. So this is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. So probably if you have ordered a camera, it might came with a basic probably 16 gigabyte card. So if you're especially if you're shooting in RAW, which has a file size of about 50 MB per image, and then if you're shooting a video, so you might be needing a larger capacity. So I have thought of getting the 256 gigabyte, but I opted to just purchase the cheaper one, which is just 128 gigabyte. So this is about $50. Okay, so the SanDisk Extreme Pro, it says 4K. So if you're shooting in 4K videos, so this would be enough. Now the other one is okay. So this is one of the cheap Chinese wrist strap. So it's a wrist strap. Okay, so if for the protection of your camera, so instead of if you don't want the bulky strap, you can use a wrist strap, a hand wrist strap instead. Alright, so I'll be using this. Instead of the neck strap that came with the camera. Okay, so this is a cheap cotton material, I think. Okay, so yeah, so this would go like this, and this would connect to the camera. So basically those are, as I've said, those are just the basic stuff that I ordered online, which are cheap. So tell me about your basic accessories that you use for your camera. So thank you.